The theme for the 2018 PIBC annual conference this year is the game plan. You know, like any good sports team, you have to have a plan in place, put your game plan in place, and look forward in terms of who your players are on the field, who you're playing, and what your particular strategy is in terms of having a good outline of where you're going to go. And essentially, that's what planning is in a much longer term sense. And the actors on the field would certainly be the local public, but also the politicians, elected officials, and then the planners. I'd see the planners as the people who are sitting on the bench trying to orchestrate the good ideas and directions of change. And that's why I think the theme is really fitting for the planning conference this year, just in terms of that forward-looking strategy. As we all know, life and the city around us seems to be changing at an ever quicker pace, and to have a good game plan in place along all of those fronts is going to be increasingly important as we look forward on the planning side of things.
I'm Deborah.
I'm Dan.
And we are the co-chairs of the 2018 PIBC conference, The Game Plan.
So part of the conference is also to celebrate PIBC's 60th anniversary, founded in 1958. And so the conference organizers thought it would be great to have a planning through the decades showcase. And so for a number of sessions, Deb and I dress up in various garb and outfits from the various decades. So we're supporting our best 60s outfit. And
Number one, in the category of excellence in planning practice, city and urban areas, this year's gold winner is, do we have a drum roll? No drum roll. Capital Regional District for People Power, the Active Transportation and Healthy Communities Program. Come on up. In the same category, this year's silver winner is the City of New Westminster for its infill housing program. Number three, in the category of excellence in planning practice, small town and rural areas, this year's gold winner is BC Transit for the planning and implementation of intercommunity transit services on Highway 16. Number four, same category, this year's silver winner is District of Kitimat and Urban Systems for the Minette Bay Concept Plan. Well done, guys. In the category of excellence in policy planning, city and urban areas, this year's gold winner is the City of Surrey for its Parks, Recreation and Cultural Strategic Master Plan. And for the same category, this year's silver winner is City of New Westminster for the New Westminster Official Community Plan. Number seven, in the category of excellence in planning policy, small town and rural areas, this year's gold winner is Town of Ladysmith, Chemainus First Nation and Dialogue Group for their waterfront area plan. And I can't pronounce the entire name, but I'm going to try. We are working as one. And same category, the silver winner is the Town of Creston Official Community Plan, Freshly Picked Fruit. I love these titles. New category under research and new directions. The gold winner for this category was Plus Urban and BC Housing for the 0 to 100 planning for an aging population. Very timely. And finally, under this category, number 10, silver winner is District of Squamish, Curwood Lydell Associates, Arlington Group, Planning and Architecture, and SNC Lavalin for the Squamish Integrated Flood Hazard Management Plan. Very timely for this year. Representatives. New category, awards for individual achievement. First one is a category of the Distinguished Professional Contribution. And this year's winner is Susan Hallett. And the category Leadership of Advocacy and Innovation, this year's winner is Beverly Grieve. Our last award is the Annual Student Fellowship, and this year's award goes to Aaron Dixon from Vancouver Island University Master of Community Planning Program. Thank you to all who submitted this year. Enjoy the rest of the conference, guys.